Tomica Honda N-Box. The Tomica Honda N-Box was released in 2024. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is white, and it has 1 H wheels. On the front, it has plastic headlights, Honda logo, and detailed front grille. On the back, it has Honda logo, N-box, and detailed taillights. Dark smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Tomica Disney Cars Ramone. The Tomica Disney Cars Ramone was released in July 2008. Now, let's unbox the box. The toy includes the main figure of Ramone, standard type. It is based on a character from the Disney movie Cars. Black plastic base. Tomica Toyota Alphard. The Tomica Toyota Alphard was released in November 21st, 2015. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is white, and it has 1 H wheels. On the front, it has plastic headlights, Alphard logo, and detailed front grille. On the side, it has black trim. On the back, it has taillights, Toyota logo, and Alphard badge. smoke window tint. Black plastic base. The trunk can be opened. Tomica Premium Nissan Skyline GT-S-R. The Tomica Nissan Skyline GT-S-R was released January 2020. Now, let's unbox the box. The color of the car is dark blue, and it has detailed wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and Skyline on license plate. On the side, it has side marker and GT badge. On the back, it has detailed taillights, Nissan, GTS-R, and Skyline. Clear window tint. Black plastic base. The door can be opened.